defensive. That's fine.
Oh yeah, man. If I had just went to
You followed
this
a great
square
chess
the whole
piece.
time, I
Ended
could
up
have
with a
won.
new piece.
I had that diagonal cornering him, but fuck.
That's fine.
Should have just thought of that way sooner.
This is a fine move.
What? Attacking his bishop.
Good job protecting your pawn. This gives away. That pawn was yours for the taking. This attacks a queen. You overlooked a better way to move a queen to safety. This allows the opponent to win a pawn through a fork. You ignored an opportunity to win a pawn through a fork.
Oh. Damn. It forked his fucking rook as well, man. Three-way.
This misses an opportunity to defend a pawn that was under attack.
Oh my god,
You
dude.
allowed the opponent to win a rook through a fork. You missed an opportunity to eventually win a pawn. This misses an opportunity to defend a pawn. You allowed the opponent to win a rook through a fork.
I was winning up
misses
until
an opportunity
this.
to defend a pawn that was under. You allowed the opponent to win a rook through a fork. You missed an
I should
opportunity
have
to
taken with my
eventually win a pawn.
queen.
White will be winning a rook with that fork. Good job. This captures a free rook. You captured back. This misses an opportunity to win a tempo by threatening a... You're kicking their queen out of it. This move choice loses a pawn. This allows the opponent to eventually win a bishop. You missed an opportunity to tactically win a bishop. This allows the
My
opponent to
god,
eventually
bro.
win a bishop.
I just saw
This
this
ignores
and
an
I was
opportunity to
like,
tactically
yeah.
win a bishop.
But I could have literally just went here.
You missed it. The bishop was sacrificed. A stunning move.
Wow.
You permitted the opponent to force eventual checkmate with the right follow-up, and the game is over. The bishop
Of
was
course, that
sacrificed.
was the brilliant.
Stunning move. You missed an opportunity to tactically
I was
win a
not
bishop.
expecting him to take there.